Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need high-quality sushi-grade fish, crisp nori seaweed sheets, and fresh vegetables. Preparing the sushi rice correctly is crucial. It involves cooking short-grain rice and then seasoning it with a precise blend of rice vinegar, a small amount of sugar, and a pinch of salt. A clean and organized workspace will make the entire process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare them. Cook your sushi rice according to package directions, typically using 1.5 cups of rice. Once cooked, spread it on a tray to cool to room temperature, mixing in the seasoning gently. Next, carefully slice your sushi-grade fish and any vegetables like cucumber or avocado into thin, even strips. Keep a small bowl of water nearby. Dipping your hands in it will prevent the sticky rice from clinging to them during assembly. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to roll. Lay a nori sheet, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Gently spread a thin, even layer of seasoned sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the top. Arrange your chosen fillings, such as fish and vegetables, in a neat line across the center of the rice. Now, using the mat, carefully roll the sushi tightly from the bottom, applying gentle pressure to create a firm, compact roll. Finally, let's finish and serve your delicious sushi. Using a very sharp knife, dampened with a little water, slice your sushi roll into 6 to 8 even pieces. A clean cut makes all the difference. Arrange your beautiful, freshly made sushi on a serving platter. Don't forget to offer soy sauce, pickled ginger, and wasabi on the side for a complete experience. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your homemade sushi.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.